friends, welcome back to my channel. Are you also getting eFootball 2027 download completed error while playing the game? If yes, don't worry, go through the methods discussed in this video and you will get rid of the problem easily. So the very first thing what you have to do is to restart your device once. For that, press the volume up plus power button and then select restart. Now after restarting your phone, you have to check if the error is fixed or not. If not, you should force stop the game once. For that, click and hold the game icon, click on app info. After that, click on force stop and then click on OK. After you have done this, now check if the issue is resolved or not. If not, you should check if the game needs any kind of update. For that, go to the Google Play Store. In the search option, you have to search for eFootball, and here you have to check if any update is available. If yes, update your game to the latest version, and after that, launch the game. And next method is to clear cache of the game. So for that, click and hold the game icon, click on app info. After that, click on storage and then click on clear cache. Now after doing this, check if the error you are coming across is fixed or not. If not, you should check the app permissions if you have granted some permissions or you have restricted some permissions. So for that, click and hold the game icon, go to the app info, and here you have to click on permissions, and here you have to check if you have restricted any permissions. If not, and if this doesn't resolve the problem, move to the next method. Next is to check if VPN is connected or so if you have connected any VPN, then disable the VPN app and then try to launch the game and check if the problem is fixed or not. If not, next is to check your internet connection. So make sure your internet connection is stable and not fluctuating. If you're using Wi-Fi, then move to mobile data or do vice versa, and after that, try to launch the game and check if the error is fixed or not. But if the issue still continue, then you are suggested to reinstall the game once. For that, click and hold the game icon, click on app info, and then click on uninstall and again click on OK. So by this way, you can delete the game. After that, again, you have to reinstall the game on your phone. Go to the Google Play Store, search for the game, install it, and then check if the problem is fixed or not. So that's all for now in this video. Thank you.